Friends, thank you so much for joining us on what is a very, very special morning for us. We're here for the launch of our trailer of Chapak, as you know. And I owe you guys a big thank you on behalf of Foxstar Studios and Disney. And any guesses for why? Why would I want to thank you guys? I mean, lots of good reasons. But one big, big reason is that we, as you all know, we are finishing the year 2019, which has been just fantastic for us. And it all starts with the films, but we have to be completely honest. We can only take the films up to a point, and you guys play a very important role in taking the message and making sure that audiences get to know about our films. And 2019 has been such a rocking year that in Hollywood, as Disney, we have 4 of the top 10 films in this country. And of course, Avengers has gone on to become the #1 film in India across any language. And when it comes to Bollywood, there too, we've got 4 of the top 10 Bollywood films. So, guys, I think you all deserve a clap for this fantastic contribution. Yeah. So now, that's about 2019, and I think it's a very entertaining film. But I think every once in a while comes a film that is also a very important film. And I think the important film is because of the nature of the subject and the timing of when the film is going out. And I think it's a film which, when you all see the trailer and you find out more about it, each of you will agree that's an important film in today's time. And it's a film that each of us as individuals need to actually support from a theme point of view, because finally every one of us has got daughters, sisters, and I think this refers to issues which impacts the larger society. So with that, I also want to use this opportunity to thank some very important people who were associated with the project. Uh, Meghna needs no introduction. An excellent director who has some tremendous credentials. And when and we had a meeting about a year back, and she told us about the film subject that she was looking at. I mean, I think the short answer was very, very quick answer from us. Yes, we want to be partnering with you on this film. It's a fantastic film script. It's a fantastic film idea, and more importantly, it's an important film whose story. So you can imagine they are passionate people. They give their 110% on anything they do, and they're also co-producers, both of them, on this project, and that makes it really, really special for us. And I believe it's their first co-production, so that makes it doubly special for me. So with that, let's dive into the reason you guys are here. Let's show you the trailer. We're going to run it twice, and after that, we're going to get the people to come up, and I know that's the other reason you guys are all here. And you and me are going to speak. Thank you. Consume the trailer. And now, let's bring to the stage. I'm going to keep the conversation going because the stools are not in place yet. But we're going to now invite who I believe is one of the finest directors in India, and a director who has a very strong statement, a director who is unflinching, a director who really knows her craft and will not compromise if she thinks otherwise. Uh, Ladies and gentlemen, I'd like to invite Meghna to join us on the stage, please. And a big round of applause for her.
थैंक यू एवरीवन फॉर बीइंग हियर। ये मौका बहुत ही नाजुक मौका होता है एक फिल्म मेकर के लिए, क्योंकि 1 साल 1.5 साल से एक कहानी, एक सोच हम अपने बहुत करीब रखते हैं, उस पर शिद्दत से काम करते हैं, और फिर वो वक्त आता है जब हम वो चीज़ आपके सामने सौंपते हैं, और आज ये वो वक्त है। अच्छी बात ये है कि आज इंटरनेशनल ह्यूमन राइट्स डे है, और मुझे नहीं लगता कि इससे बेहतर दिन हो सकता था इस फिल्म के ट्रेलर को आप तक पहुंचाने का। कोशिश यही रही है कि एक बहुत ज़रूरी कहानी, एक बहुत ज़रूरी मुद्दे के बारे में कही जाए। औरतों को लेके, महिलाओं को लेके हमारे देश में जो माहौल है, उस पे मुझे ज़्यादा बोलने की ज़रूरत नहीं है, सबको पता है। और ऐसे माहौल में इस फिल्म की, इस कहानी की अहमियत काफ़ी और बढ़ जाती है। मैं बहुत ही खुशनसीब हूँ कि मेरी फ़िल्म छपाक को मालती का चेहरा दीपिका पादुकोण ने दिया. अपना अस्तित्व छोड़ के उन्होंने मालती का अस्तित्व अपनाया. उनके बगैर जो आप देख रहे हैं मुझे नहीं लगता वो मुकम्मल हो पाता. Really grateful for her faith, for Foxstar Studios to come on board unflinchingly, unquestioningly, with your belief, with your faith, and with your entire machinery, conviction, and all your resources to back us on this journey. I think that's what is finally showing on screen. I'm very grateful to the team that's worked on the film. And we worked very hard. It was not an easy film to make. It was not an easy shoot, logistically, emotionally. लेकिन मुश्किल काम अच्छे तब होते हैं जब उनके पीछे अच्छी टीम होती है. और मैं खुशकिस्मत हूँ कि मैं I'm blessed with a very good team who takes the film and makes it their own. And that's what shows here. So thank you very much.
Thank you, Meghna. I'm now going to invite one other important person. He's another co-producer, Govind Sandhu, to join us on the stage. And there's one more information about him. He's also a co-founder of Mrigya, etc. But Meghna is definitely the better half. So, but with that, Govind, will you please join us? Ah, you're here. Come.
I think I played a supporting role, very in the background, both at home as well as on the film front. But I'll just say one thing. I think it's amazing to see what these two girls have managed to pull off. I don't know how many times I've cried watching the film in the making. But I'll say it's truly a work of love, passion, and most importantly, a very deep conscience. That's all that I'd like to say. Thank you.
जैसे मैंने कहा, हर कहानी को एक शक्ल की ज़रूरत होती है और उस सूरत को एक आवाज़ की ज़रूरत होती है और एक आईने की ज़रूरत होती है. हमारी फिल्म में मालती है, उनकी सूरत, उनकी शक्ल दीपिका पादुकोण है, लेकिन उनका आईना आमोल का किरदार निभाते हैं, which is played fabulously by Vikrant Massey. I am so grateful for his support and his conviction to come on to this film. Vikrant, could you please come up on stage?
Thank you so much, everyone. सबसे पहले आप सबका शुक्रिया अदा करना चाहूँगा यहाँ आने के लिए. आप लोग आए यहाँ पे. एंड ये फिल्म मेरे लिए बहुत सारी वजहों के लिए स्पेशल है. जाहिर सी बात है क्योंकि ये जो कहानी है सब कह चुके हैं कि इस वक्त कितना ज़रूरी है इस विषय में बात करना सिनेमा के माध्यम से. लेकिन मेरी ज़िंदगी में मुझे कोलैबोरेट करने मिला एक ऐसी शख्सियत के साथ जिनके साथ मैं हमेशा चाहता था कोलैबोरेट करना, लेकिन वो हो पाया, वो अभी भी मुझे सिंक इन नहीं होता है. So thank you so much for this opportunity. Fox, thank you so much for backing this film and supporting Meghna ji and the entire crew. And Deepika ji, thank you so much, my wonderful co-actor, my co-producer. And उम्मीद है कि आप लोगों के माध्यम से हम लोगों तक पहुंच पाएं. आज ये ट्रेलर आप लोगों के लिए, दुनिया के लिए हमने पेश किया है. एंड वी आर जस्ट होपिंग कि जो चीज़ें हम सिनेमा के माध्यम से, इस कहानी के माध्यम से, एंटरटेनमेंट के माध्यम से हम कहना चाहते हैं वो लोगों तक पहुँचे और ये चर्चा शुरू हो, ये विषय पे थोड़ा सा तवज्जो दिया जाए. थैंक यू सो मच. थैंक यू फॉर कमिंग. थैंक यू.
एंड फाइनली, लाइक आई सेड, छपाक मुकम्मल नहीं होती इनके बगैर. जिन्होंने अपना अस्तित्व दिया मालती के लिए, I'd like to welcome the face of Chapak onto the stage. I don't need to announce the name.
You have to say something. मैंने सिर्फ इस मोमेंट के बारे में सोचा था कि आप लोग ट्रेलर देखेंगे और फिर हमको स्टेज पे आना है. उसके बाद हमको कुछ बोलना पड़ेगा इसके बारे में मैंने सोचा ही नहीं था. जब भी मैं ट्रेलर देखती हूँ तो again it's happening. Can we carry on and do this later? I'm really sorry.
She's not seen this completed before, so it is a little overwhelming. Guys, please don't do that. Please, mat kariye. Please.
I just want to say that it's not often where you come across a story where you have to sit through an entire narration. Usually you have to sit through the entire process and then decide whether you want to do a film or not. And it's not often where you come across a story where you know instantly in the first few minutes of meeting a director that this is what you want to commit your life to. And Chapak is that for me. Meghna, thank you so much for trusting me with this. It's been an incredible journey, emotionally, putting it together. And I feel like irrespective of how it's received and how it does, it'll be my most special film of my career. And I truly hope that all of you see I think the impact that the film is supposed to have on all of us, and the reason why we did this movie, I hope you see in it what we saw in it. We've made it with a lot of love, a lot of passion, a lot of enthusiasm, with a lot of responsibility, and yeah, thank you so much. I'm just lost for words. Thank you.
Thank you.
Okay, so I'm sure some of you have lots of questions. So let's open up the house to questions. And I'm going to moderate them.
To the
I just
team,
request, I'm assuming there are mics in the crowd. Yeah, if you can just raise your hands, guys.
okay. To the team, Chapak.
Just give us a few seconds.
You want somebody to come?
Okay, so we have a question.
Yeah, okay. To the team, Chapak, first of all, congratulations. This is Simran Singh here from First Post. You know, दीपिका, ऐसी एक फिल्म होती है एक्टर्स की ज़िंदगी में जो बेंचमार्क बन जाती है या पहचान बन जाती है. It seems that Chapak is one of that film in your career. It can be. It seems that. So my question to you is, what made you do this film? What was the reason?
I think it's not, you know, like I said, it's not often where you come across a story that inspires you so much. And it's not about the incident as much as it's about the triumph over it. And I've been extremely fortunate to meet Lakshmi. And I think, and many others. And I think to see their spirit and to see how, I can't even describe it in words, but it was a lot of things. But I think one of the most important things is the marriage between having that story, but also having the right person tell it. I could see the sincerity, I could see the honesty, and I knew I was in good hands. Very often you'll come across great stories, but you also have to have the right director to tell it in an honest, authentic, and responsible manner, especially when you're telling a story like this. And I think that's why I'm feeling this way, because I clearly remember that moment when Meghna came to meet me. She opened the script, she read maybe the first page, first 2 pages at max, and I said, I'm on. We're doing this.
That was because you wanted to eat curry with lal mirchi.
And that does not happen often. That does not happen often. And I remember we didn't finish the narration that day. We did the whole narration much later on because I as an actor needed to know, what else I had to prepare for. But as a film, is this something I want to do? I knew instantly. And it was the marriage, like I said, between the story itself and the fact that Meghna Gulzar was telling it.
So I have another question, Deepika. So since it will be the second release of the year, and it is not that conventional entertainer. It's a very hard-hitting, unconventional film. So how are you measuring the success of it? But surely it will touch the hearts, and surely it will create a conversation. But how are you measuring the success of it?
To be very honest, and I feel that now more than ever before, that for me, the success of a movie really is the impact it's able to have on people's lives. And are we able to change mindsets? Are we able to impact? And don't get me wrong, every story doesn't have to be a hard-hitting story. It could be a simple emotion like joy or love or but as long as it makes you feel something and think something and evoke that sort of emotion, I think for me, that truly is the meter of success, in my own opinion. And also a film that has longevity, a film that I would want to watch 10 years from now. That for me is the sign of a successful movie.
Hi.
Okay,
Deepika,
so we're going to move on and take another question.
Hi, Deepika, this side
Let's
to your right.
balance it out, guys.
You're right.
Yeah,
First of all, fantabulous trailer. It is really heart touching. लेकिन जब ऐसा कोई किरदार आप पर्दे पर निभाते हैं, ज्योति दिस साइड फ्रॉम मूवीज अड्डा, जब आप ऐसा कोई किरदार निभाते हैं तो इमोशनली बहुत ज़्यादा इम्पैक्टफुल होता ही है. लेकिन आपके लिए कैसी जर्नी थी अपने आप को, अगर मैं प्रोस्थेटिक्स की बात करूँ, जिस तरीके से आपका लुक है, इट इज़ वेरी इट इज़ वेरी रिलेटेबल. तो आपके लिए कितना टफ था अपने आप को खुद आईने में उस तरीके से देखना और क्योंकि एक डर लगता है खुद को ऐसे देखकर, रोंगटे खड़े हो जाते हैं बिकॉज लिटरली ट्रेलर देख के हो गए रोंगटे खड़े. तो आपके लिए कितना टफ था खुद को ऐसे देखना?
ओके, फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल आई थिंक ये शब्द जो आपने यूज़ किया, डर लगना, बहुत ही गलत शब्द है. और we should not use that vocabulary at all. It is so ironic कि मुझे खुद पता नहीं था कि पहली बार जब मैं अपने आप को देखूंगी आईने में तो मुझे क्या लगेगा. But I remember again this moment very, very clearly. We were in the Fox office and we were doing the look test. And it took almost 4 or 5 hours the first time we did it. And I fell asleep, I woke up, this thing was still going on. And finally, when it was done and I looked at myself in the mirror for the first time, I looked at Meghna and I said, I feel like myself. Nothing has changed. And that's the day I found my character. That's the day I knew exactly what I need to do in this movie. I don't think we should be or are defined by our external appearances only.
And to add to that, I think if there's anything that the journey of Chhapaak has taught us, it is that these girls who are acid survivors, they do not consider themselves victims. They don't want our sympathy. They are not hesitant to walk in our society with their faces open. It is us who are hesitant to meet their gaze. That is what we need to change. We need to change that.
Okay. Hi, Meghna. Hi,
okay.
Deepika.
Hi.
Here, you're right. Here.
Okay, so I think
Hi.
we'll take a question.
Hi, मधु फ्रॉम BBC हिंदी. मेघना और यहाँ पे सामने दीपिका, आप दोनों से ये सवाल है. लक्ष्मी की ज़िंदगी ने करोड़ों महिलाओं का नज़रिया जो है ज़िंदगी जीने का वो बदला है. आप दोनों जब इससे जुड़े, लक्ष्मी की कहानी से जुड़े, तो किस तरह का इम्पैक्ट आप दोनों की ज़िंदगी में पड़ा, ये जानना चाहेंगे.
I think for both of us and I think for the entire team, जब हम इन लड़कियों से मिले, when we interacted with them. We have 4 survivors acting in our film as well. They're playing full-fledged parts, not there for just a song or something. I think for me the biggest revelation was हमारे अंदर जो अंदरूनी एक शक्ति है, it is so strong and so immense. We realize it only when we are faced with an extremely traumatic circumstance. We don't realize how strong we actually are. That is what I realized with all these girls, that the inner strength that they used and tapped to overcome their circumstances of life was incredible. And I think that realization was that we all have this, but not all of us have been in a place where we need to tap it. You know, but they've tapped it. They've overcome purely on the basis of their inner strength.
Okay, I think there was a question here.
So
yeah.
I have a question which is to both of you. You know, today in the industry, if we see women are taking the... No. But today in the industry, if we see, you know, women are taking the lead in every aspect, you know, whether it's production. This is your first, this is your debut as a producer. It's a very important film. It's a very poignant film which needs to be spoken about. And I'm glad that 2 women are at the forefront talking about it. It takes a lot of gumption. A lot of times, both of you, you've made films and you have also spoken beyond being an actress and raised a toast to the human spirit when you have spoken about the kind of challenges that you have faced internally, which not many actors actually speak about. When you were discussing the film, was it easier for you guys to internalize the struggles that they went through despite not having faced something as vicious and brutal like that?
So, sorry, can you ask the question again?
I'm saying that, you know, this movie is raising a toast to the spirit and not presenting an acid attack survivor as a victim, which is a great thing.
Correct.
You guys have always told stories, or even your life story, which is through your foundation or the things that you've said. You've never come across as a victim. Was that also a reason why it was easy for you to internalize it? And was it a reason why you think that she could, you know, easily play the role? Somebody asked a question where you said that it's not, we shouldn't say this word that, oh, they're not beautiful. It's true, but there are a lot of actors, I'm sure, who wouldn't even go bald for a film. You know, they have those imagery in their heads. This is breaking the stereotype, and I'm glad that you're doing it.
Thank you. Honestly, I don't know. I don't know if there is a correlation between my personal struggle and seeing. It's I guess the human in me, or I don't know. I don't think I can ever put it in words or be able to define or describe why I'm drawn to certain subjects or why I'm drawn to certain characters. But yes, most certainly, I am certainly drawn to characters that that can stand up for themselves, or that can that have a voice, or have that sort of inner grit, determination. I'm definitely drawn to characters like that. And that's probably why I saw it here. So again, for me, this is not about the fact that it doesn't rest on the incident as much as it rests on her overcoming it, and in the way that she's lived her life after. I think that for me was more of a draw than the incident itself.
Hi, Deepika. On your right.
I think we. Okay, can we have?
सो मैम मैं पहले तो मेरी सबसे बड़ी रिक्वेस्ट ये है कि इस फिल्म को वुमन सेंट्रिक फिल्म के ढांचे में ना डालें. मेरी बहुत बड़ी रिक्वेस्ट है, क्योंकि मुझे लगता है कि जो कहानियाँ मैं कहती हूँ, हाँ उसमें जो महिला का किरदार होता है वो थोड़ा सा ज़्यादा स्ट्रॉन्गर होता है हमारी कन्वेंशनल फिल्मों में से, लेकिन वो सिर्फ एक महिला की कहानी नहीं होती. आई एम रियली होपिंग माई फिल्म से अ लॉट मोर देन जस्ट अ वुमन ओरिएंटेड स्टोरी. वन. दूसरी चीज़ ये है कि आई चूज स्टोरीज which I find which resonate with me. I go purely by instinct. उसमें कभी भी ये सोच नहीं आती कि अब मुझे सेंसिटिव बनानी है तो एक सेंसिटिव टॉपिक ढूंढें, उसको कमर्शियल बनाना है. जितनी सच्चाई से और जितनी श्रद्धा से मैं वो कहानी कह सकूं, मैं वो कहती हूँ. वो कमर्शियल होगी या नहीं होगी उस पर मेरा कोई कंट्रोल नहीं है. Nobody sets out to make a failure. Nobody sets out to say कि आज मैं फ्लॉप फिल्म बनाऊंगा. Right? We all want our films to work and do well. मेरी कोशिश सिर्फ यही है कि मैं जितनी सच्चाई से अपना काम कर सकूं, उतनी सच्चाई से मैं अपनी कहानी कहूं. That's all.
Hi Deepika, on your right, this is Faridun from Baranagama. Congratulations to both you and Meghna. It's an outstanding promo. Mr. Govind said, I think, a very important statement before you came in, and he spoke about the importance of conscience in cinema. Considering cinema is such a huge medium, it reaches out to so many people. What do you think is the importance of filmmakers and actors to be responsible in what they're communicating through the medium?
I said this just a couple of days ago on another show. I think it's very important. I think you cannot shy away from the fact that cinema is an extremely powerful medium. And then it depends on each individual how they choose to use that medium. But you cannot definitely shy away from the fact that it is extremely powerful. The youth get influenced by it. And I think, and I'm not going to, I definitely not claim that I've had this realization right from the start of my career. It's something that I've grown into and learned and understood over a period of time. Yeah. Does that answer the question?
Hello, hi.
अभी सेट के ऊपर जो हो गया है वो अब हो गया है, वो आप फिल्म में देखेंगे. बट हाउ डज सोसाइटी, दैट्स वाई वी आर टेलिंग दिस स्टोरी. दैट्स एग्जैक्टली वाई वी आर टेलिंग दिस स्टोरी, क्योंकि वो होता नहीं है. और उनको सोसाइटी में इंक्लूड करना, उनको नॉर्मली ट्रीट करना, नॉट टू ट्रीट देम लाइक
डरावना शब्द ना इस्तेमाल करना,
scary, disabled. No. And that's the whole point of telling this film, and hopefully that will translate when the film releases on the 10th of January.
Hi, Deepika. Hello. Hello.
Okay, we have a question here.
Yeah.
We'll just
Hi. Yeah, hi. Hello.
Excuse me. We'll just take it one by one.
Yeah. Hello, Nilima Kulkarni here. First of all, take about tears in my eyes. Take about hats off to all the team. It's superb. Really, I mean, I have to
Thank you so
standing
much.
ovation to all of you.
Thank you.
और दीपिका, जैसे इस फिल्म में, जैसे मैम ने बोला कि ये सिर्फ वुमेन सेंट्रिक मूवी नहीं है, इसमें मर्दों का अच्छा चेहरा भी दिखाई देता है. तो उसके बारे में दीपिका और विक्रांत दोनों बोलिएगा प्लीज. प्लीज विक्रांत.
जी sorry, I didn't follow the question in the end.
There are good men and bad men in society. So your character is of good men. So वो थोड़ा सा बताइएगा आपके कैरेक्टर के बारे में.
जी मेरे किरदार का नाम अमोल है फिल्म में, जो रियल लाइफ में लक्ष्मी जी के साथ जुड़े हुए थे काफ़ी समय से। आलोक दीक्षित पे ये किरदार बेस्ड है। जैसे मैम ने कहा कि हमें इस चीज़ को नैरो डाउन करके ये नहीं कहना चाहिए कि ये एक विमेन सेंट्रिक फिल्म है। जी हाँ, ये लक्ष्मी जी की कहानी है जो दीपिका जी ने प्ले की है, बट और भी लोग जुड़े थे उनकी ज़िंदगी में जिनका एक बहुत ही इम्पोर्टेंट कंट्रीब्यूशन रहा था। वो एक छोटा सा किरदार मैंने इस फिल्म में किया है, एंड एज आई हैव सेड दिस बिफोर, आई हैव गॉट दिस अपॉर्चुनिटी टू कोलैबोरेट विद देम, एंड या सो इट्स बीन वेरी हार्ट वार्मिंग फॉर मी। और जैसे कि हम सब जानते हैं कि द काइंड ऑफ टाइम्स वी आर लिविंग इन, द थिंग्स वी रीड व्हेन वी वेक अप इन द मॉर्निंग इन द न्यूज़पेपर, the things we see while flipping channels. I think it is about time that एक collective consciousness की जो आप बात कर रहे थे, एक collective consciousness है जो I think हम सबको कहीं ना कहीं अपने आप से सवाल पूछना चाहिए। कहीं ना कहीं हमें एक वो सेग्रीगेशन करना बहुत ज़रूरी है कि सिनेमा के माध्यम से हम कॉन्शियसली एक रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी निभा पा रहे हैं या नहीं। कोशिश हमने की है। आज ट्रेलर आया है, 10 तारीख को फिल्म आएगी, तो उम्मीद है कि जो चीज़ हम कहना चाहते हैं वो आप तक पहुँचे।
Yeah,
Okay, I hang on. I'm sorry. I'm the one here with the mic.
yeah.
The gentleman here.
Yeah, congratulations to Deepika, Meghna, and the entire team. It's amazing and very emotional. Actually, the trailer is very amazing and emotional. मुझे पूछना था कि दीपिका, सबसे पहले तो डबल congratulations to you also, like for this film and you being a producer. मेरा 2 सवाल है कि आगे हम आपको आगे एज अ प्रोड्यूसर देखते रहेंगे, आपका नाम मतलब जैसे दीपिका पादुकोण या फिर कोई प्रोडक्शन हाउस रहेगा, और ये इसका जवाब दीजिए। सेकंड क्वेश्चन आया देन आई जस्ट
जवाब है यहाँ पे सर। का प्रोडक्शंस इज दीपिका।
Ka also means soul.
Oh.
And it's the part of your body that it's a part of your being that gets left behind after you die and go. So hopefully I'll be able to leave behind a body of work that I am proud of and that all of you will enjoy when I'm not around anymore.
अच्छा, as the
Deepika.
film says,
Okay.
as the film
Okay.
says,
Deepika,
अब लड़ना
We're going to
है।
have to let everyone ask.
Yeah,
Sir, one
Deepika.
question I just asked.
Deepika.
Can I just now?
Sir, please. अब लड़ना है, the title says। तो हमने अक्सर ऐसे देखा है कि बहुत सारे ऐसी महिलाएं जो रियली आगे आके कुछ लड़ना चाहती, पर देन दे हैव टू फेस सम कॉन्सिक्वेंसेज एक्चुअली। तो बहुत बार ऐसे होता है कि girls get afraid, or even the parents say, "Yaar, why you want to go into all those things?" You know, there are lots of instances where you're traveling in a cab, a driver molests you, तो आप कभी थप्पड़ मार देते, लेकिन फिर उसका consequences बहुत बार ऐसा होता है कि खराब होता है। तो ऐसे में आप मतलब लड़कियों को या महिलाओं को किस तरह का मैसेज देना चाहोगे? Because it's a really little confusing thing also, like you feel, ना? तो ऐसे में what have you to say, Deepika and Meghna?
सो
both of you?
सर ये जो हमारा हैशटैग है अब लड़ना है, ये सिर्फ महिलाओं के लिए नहीं है, ये पुरुषों के लिए भी है जो कहेंगे हमें अब लड़ना है, हमें सोसाइटी के लिए लड़ना है, हमें इंसानियत के लिए लड़ना है, और महिलाओं के लिए भी लड़ना है। Why is it supposed to be only for women?
Yeah, Deepika, I've got a question.
Okay,
for you.
so
Yeah, 1 minute.
I think we're going to now
Deepika.
move to the question this
Yeah,
side.
yeah.
I'm sorry, we're going to come back. We're going to come back. Let's give everyone a chance.
Yeah. Deepika, playing this role of Lakshmi, how was the process of you going through the role as such? And you must have gone through such a trauma yourself, because after the prosthetic, certainly you are in the character. But before that, and after the shooting also, till the time of the shooting, till the time of completion of the film, how was the frame of your mind while delivering this role as such?
It's been challenging at every level, and challenge is such a small word, I feel, in comparison to what I think we've actually been through. Physically, emotionally, mentally, it's been the most exhausting process. So much so that आपने सुना होगा कि on the last day of the shoot when we finished, I told Meghna, I said, "Are we done? Are we really done? Do I really not have to do this again?" She said, "Yes, we're done." I took a piece, and prosthetic का के पैसे लगते हैं. It's expensive. I said, "Please, can we make one extra piece?" She said, "Okay, fine, make an extra piece." We made an extra piece. On the last day we finished, I went behind the trailer, I put some alcohol on it, and I burnt the piece. And तो वो जल गया, and everyone is like, चलो चलो हो गया ना, अभी निकलते हैं. I said, no, I'm going to stand here till it goes and disappears completely, because only then will I feel like I've let, maybe not emotionally, because I think emotionally characters don't leave you. They never leave you entirely. You move on to other things, but somewhere deep down inside it always stays with you. But whatever I could leave behind, I left behind in that process. And I'll never forget that.
Okay, we're going to
Hi,
take the
Deepika.
last two
Hi,
questions
Deepika.
now. So we'll take one
Hi
from here.
दीपिका, सरिता सिंह here. How are you? तो सबसे पहले दीपिका और मेघना, आप दोनों को बहुत बहुत बधाई एक बहादुर लड़की की, जिसने न केवल सर्वाइवर या फाइटर होने के बाद बल्कि पूरे देश को नॉर्मल कैटेगरी में बहुत ज़्यादा प्रेरणा दी थी. हम सब उसके गवाह थे, हम लोगों ने कवर किया था उस वक्त को. और जब मैंने पर्दे पर दीपिका को देखा तो मुझे लगा मैं लक्ष्मी को देख रही हूँ, और मैं अपने आप को रोक नहीं पाई. स्पेशली 2-3 सीन्स में सिर्फ हाइट का फर्क था, और ये बहुत बड़ी बात है, बहुत बड़ी बात है. लुक एस्थेटिक से बना लेते हैं, मगर एक एक्सप्रेशन, एक पर्सनैलिटी बहुत बड़ी बात है. मेरे साथ लक्ष्मी के किरदार की बहुत सारी चीज़ें मेरी ज़िंदगी में आ गई हैं. आपने लक्ष्मी को जिया है. मालती, जो आपकी मालती है, लक्ष्मी और मालती की कौन सी चीज़ है जो ज़िंदगी भर, जिसने आपको बदल दिया ज़िंदगी भर के लिए, और वो आपके साथ रहेगी?
आई थिंक जैसे मैंने पहले बोला था कि आई थिंक इट्स हर स्पिरिट, इट्स हर, आई एम श्योर you've met her also, but it's how easy she is with everything. And there is an ease, there is joy, there is attitude, there is all of those things. I can't, correct me if I'm wrong, but it's, I have never met somebody like her. She's unique. She's really unique. And again, not with sympathy, not with what has happened, but what she's made of the incident, what she's made of her life after that. I am yet to come across someone as entertaining, as engaging. She's unique. She's really unique. And she's really one of my most favorite people. I can sit and talk to her for hours. She's always full of stories, always full of anecdotes, which also you'll see in the film. You know, you'll see her entire personality. It's not one-dimensional. There's just so much to her life, and you know, there's many things to take away from. I think every character and every film teaches you something. मैं ऐसे नहीं कह सकती हूँ कि मैंने ये एक चीज़ सीखा है या मैं ये एक चीज़ मैं लेके जाऊँगी, but I think overall films impact you, characters impact you, and yeah.
I think the biggest thing here is that
Okay,
the
we
one
have-
thing you will not see about, the one thing that Malti is not, is a bichari. That's the biggest thing. Yeah.
Okay, guys. I'm going to let you all take a few questions. Let's just start with the guy there.
I don't know. I really don't know. He's not seen. Y'all are the first people to see it. Have we posted it already? No. As we speak. So I'm talking to you before I talk to him, by the way.
आप अपना रिएक्शन देना चाहते हैं दे सकते हैं, नहीं तो I'm going to move to the next question. The lady here.
और पूरी टीम से मेरा सवाल है
Excuse me,
सर,
just
यहाँ
1 minute, guys. The lady here.
मैम, ये प्लेटफॉर्म नहीं है उस चीज़ पे कमेंट करने का कि प्रियंका रेड्डी के साथ जो हुआ और उसके बाद जो हुआ वो सही है कि नहीं है. वी विल नॉट आंसर दैट हियर बिकॉज दोज आर आवर पर्सनल आइडियोलॉजीज. दिस इज़ नॉट द प्लेस फॉर दैट. होते हैं मैम, स्पेशल कोर्ट्स भी बनते हैं, निर्भया केस के लिए भी स्पेशल कोर्ट बना था, बट द जुडिशरी द वे इट इज़ इन आवर कंट्री हैज़ इट्स ओन प्रोसेस, और उसके ऊपर कमेंट करने की जगह हमारी नहीं है।
दीपिका और पूरी टीम से मेरा
Okay, so
सवाल
we're going to
है
now. Okay, I'm going to now, guys, hang on. I'm going to pick someone who hasn't had a chance. So there's a lady sitting there. Yeah.
We have no idea because we've literally just launched it now as you. Oh, when she saw me, sorry. When she saw me, she felt like she was seeing herself in the mirror. Making में शायद आप लोग देखेंगे. I'm sure we'll put that out at some point. I felt like I was looking at myself, and she felt like she was looking at herself.
Which is a fabulous thing, if you ask me.
सर
And I was actually I was the most nervous on that day. This is the first time I'm playing a character that's alive, that's real, that's tangible, that I can sit with, talk to. There's no historic reference. And that's a big responsibility. So when she came on set, I think she came on the second day of, on the first day, correct. And Meghna was like, Lakshmi's coming. I'm like, okay, where is she? I've never been so nervous. But she walked in and she was just glowing, and she was happy, and you'll see all of it when the making comes out. And there's no better validation for an actor than that. When you're playing a real life character and the person is in front of you and says, I feel like I'm seeing myself as an actor, there's no better and bigger validation than that.
पूरी टीम से मेरा सवाल
from
है
PTI.
We have a plan. It will unfold slowly. Watch this space.
Deepika,
Okay, I'm going to now let the gentleman there take a question.
No, he threw a tantrum, was all pricey, made me chase him.
He was like, if you don't pay me my money, I won't do it.
Sir, there was no reason for me to not associate myself with this. For the way I think as Vikrant, I believe in the cause. And for all pragmatic reasons as an artist, getting an opportunity to collaborate with these two is like seriously, I'm sorry if that's offensive. So yeah, so it was something that it would be really foolish of me to let go of that opportunity. And at the same time, I think I did fall lucky because एक ऐसी कहानी का हिस्सा बनने का मौका मिला जिसके लिए कहीं ना कहीं मैं खुद पर्सनली बहुत ज़्यादा फील भी करता हूँ. And I think someone up there sort of looked after me there and then, and here I am sitting with you guys.
Deepika, Justin here from PTI towards your left.
Can we please ask Govind one question? Just for me. This is my own Kida. Please, somebody ask Govind one question. I really want... He's my most favorite person, by the way. If I may say, and Meghna's going to not appreciate this, but he is the best thing that has happened to her. Oh my God.
They know that. They both know
Oh, they know
it.
that, okay. Oh, you're also...
Yeah, they both know it.
I think we were living with this story for 5 years. Yeah. And, you know, I've always heard her father say that somewhere cinema is a reflection of society, and it allows you to reflect upon yourself as a society. So this was a story which really resonated with us, and I'm hoping that it allows us and everybody here to reflect on yourselves collectively as a society to see what we can do about it.
दीपिका और पूरी टीम से मेरा सवाल है, ज्योति फॉर बिग एफएम जी, यहाँ पर कैमरे के पास जी. दीपिका, यहाँ पर एक डायलॉग है आपके ट्रेलर में कि अगर एसिड ना मिले तो ऐसी घटनाएं ना हो, लेकिन कई जगह बैन किया हुआ है एसिड को, लेकिन फिर भी इजीली अवेलेबल हो जाता है, मिल जाता है लोगों को. तो इस पे कोई स्ट्रिक्ट लॉ कई जगह पर है, कई स्टेट में जहाँ पर नहीं बोला जाता लेकिन मिल जाता है. ऐसे में क्या स्ट्रिक्ट लॉ होने चाहिए कि एसिड ना मिले और चीज़ें ऐसी जो घटनाएं जो इजीली अवेलेबल है इसलिए लोगों का जाके खरीद लेते हैं और ये सारी घटनाएं होती हैं?
So I'll answer this because I'm the textbook over here. नहीं, laws हैं. Acid की बिक्री रेगुलेटेड है. इट इज़ रेगुलेटेड. ये 2013 से लेके 2015 तक में ये लॉज आ गए थे, लेकिन इनकी इम्प्लीमेंटेशन में गलती है. अब आप अपना आईडी, अपना रजिस्ट्रेशन, अपना मोबाइल नंबर बिना दिए आप एसिड ख़रीद नहीं सकते. लेकिन ये हर जगह लागू नहीं होता है. प्रॉब्लम वहाँ है. जस्ट टू क्लैरिफाई.
Deepika, Justin here from PTI towards your left.
Can I just have, sorry, I'm sorry to interrupt. Can I just have a mic? Okay. No, I'm going to hold everyone at bay now.
No, I have a question for Govind. That after doing this film, is Deepika your favorite or Meghna your favorite?
Only thing I'll say
Think,
is that
think. Otherwise, I'm not coming home for dinner.
I'll totally sidestep the question, and I'll say that इस फिल्म में मुझे
Don't give a diplomatic answer.
इतना खाना पकाना पड़ा है कि आप पूछिए मत. So I'm pretty fond of cooking, and after almost every time we have finished some sets, some shooting, I've been asked to cook 5 kilos, 10 kilos. I'm very
I'm
happy
sorry,
the
it's
film
the
is
other way
getting
around.
over.
He's like, I'm cooking, please come.
And since too many questions are being asked to the rest of them, I want to just tell you, Vikrant, that you're wonderful.
Yeah.
Thank you so much, ma'am.
He is.
Thank you so much. Thanks.
Deepika, Justin here
Thank
from PTI towards your left. Here. Should I? Yeah. Yeah. Hi. Just taking a cue from Faridoon, I believe Lakshmi was attacked because a man refused to take her no. And that's where he got offended and he sort of attacked her.
I'll tell you the whole story now.
No, but I mean, it's a real life story I read up upon her. But tell me, today more than ever, the impact of pop culture is under scanner. For the longest, our films and songs have normalized talking and glorified iski na mein bhi ha hai culture. You think it's about high time that we introspect what we put on screen?
I can't speak for everybody.
Right,
I
but
really can't speak for everyone. I can speak, and which is exactly what I said to Faridoon as well. You can't shy away from the fact that it does have an impact on youth, on society, on the way we dress, on the way we think. It does. What everyone makes of that opportunity is for each one to decide individually.
For you, Meghna and Vikrant?
I completely agree. I mean, cinema has a very critical role because it is both inspiring as well as influencing, which can be used for good also. And the influences can be negative also. Like she said, it is each maker's choice or each actor's choice. It also goes into your own sensibility. Plus, if all cinema is only going to be responsible, you guys are not going to go to the theaters very long. Right? So some level of entertainment is also important, but even that can be done responsibly is what I believe.
You, Vikrant?
Yeah, I completely agree with Meghna ji and Deepika ji. As she said कि yes, एक dichotomy होनी ज़रूरी है. एक social responsibility या collective responsibility सिर्फ makers की तरफ से नहीं, writers की तरफ से नहीं. I think I absolutely believe in the fact that cinema is a reflection of our society, the times we live in. And अगर हम ये सवाल makers, writers और creators से अगर हम पूछते हैं कि क्या हमें सिर्फ responsible cinema बनाना चाहिए, कहीं ना कहीं हमें अपने आप को भी ये सवाल पूछने चाहिए कि आप we responsible enough? रोज़मर्रा की ज़िंदगी में ये कोई ऐसा नहीं है कि कुछ hard thought हमें इस पे डालना है, ये रोज़मर्रा की ज़िंदगी की बात है. So it's a two-way street, and yeah, and as I said, the times we live in, जो चीज़ें हम रोज़ देख रहे हैं, डायरेक्टली इनडायरेक्टली महसूस कर रहे हैं, हम उसमें कंट्रीब्यूट अपनी कैपेसिटी में कितना कर सकते हैं, वो मुझे इस वक्त ज़रूरी लगता है.
And it's not that if you're socially responsible, then it's going to be a serious movie, a hard-hitting movie. No. Sorry to digress, but Piku, for example, said so much, but it was still entertaining. So it's not that if you do socially responsible films, they're going to be a certain type or a certain way. They can still be told in an engaging and entertaining manner.
Thank you.
Okay, I'm now going to take the last question, the lady here in front.
Having produced as a debut. Oh God. So at Ka, I don't want us to produce like a slate, like we have a lineup, like we have so many films coming up, and I want the process to be as honest as my process has been as an actor while I've chosen scripts, and that's going to be the process. And again, I don't want to sit here and sound like some, like an experienced producer, because I'm not. I'm here to learn. I'm here to facilitate. I'm here to learn and imbibe. And wherever I can add value, I'm here to do that. I'm not going to pretend like I know everything, and I'm sure I'll make mistakes along the way. But the intent is to tell stories in the same way, or choose the films that we do in the same way that I've done as an actor so far.
मुझे सर एक लास्ट क्वेश्चन बस मेरी तरफ से.
अच्छा, लास्ट आपको ही मिलेगा. उसके पहले जस्ट द लेडी देयर वाज गोइंग टू आस्क, डू यू वांट टू आस्क? अच्छा.
Hi, this is Rishika from Koimui. Deepika here is clearly very emotionally attached to her character, but Vikrant, did you have any breakdown moment on the sets?
मैं थोड़ा मोटी चमड़ी इंसान हूँ, to be honest.
What do you want? You want to see him cry? अरे इधर है, इधर. Pretend करो.
ठीक है, आप मुझे रोते हुए देखना चाहती हैं. मैं
too busy being angry, grumpy.
Yes. हाँ, मतलब I was a little grumpy all the time, because that, not grumpy all the time, on a light, ऐसा नहीं है. मैं थोड़ा मोटी चमड़ी इंसान हूँ. Irritable? Irritable.
Not eatable.
Yeah. Irritable. Yeah. तो बहुत सी चीज़ें हैं जो आलोक दीक्षित से जो इंस्पायर की थी इस किरदार के लिए आमोल, बिकॉज उनकी लाइफ में भी बहुत सी चीज़ें हैं जो उन्हें काफ़ी ऑक्यूपाइड रखती हैं, इमोशनली, मेंटली, फिजिकली. देयर इज़ अ सर्टन स्टेट ऑफ माइंड. And because you asked this to me as Vikrant, did I have any breakdown moments? I generally don't tend to break down so easily. But yes, I did take back a lot of things back home. I still retain a lot of things, especially things that, Meghna ji and I spoke before or after a while. Kyunki as actors, हम लोग, we are probably the last band of people to come on board, because the writers have written the film, everyone sort of, made the film in their head. So हमारा काम वैसे ही बहुत आसान हो जाता है, especially when you're working with someone of her pedigree. So you really are very sure of what you want to do and what not to do at the same time. So yeah, so I did take back a lot of things with me, which are with me, which will probably always be with me. But नहीं यार, इतनी आसानी से नहीं रो पाता मैं, नहीं.
I have to say that the three of us had the most fun when we were shooting our scenes together. It was the most fun.
Okay, now the last question. इसको माइक तो वापस कर दीजिए. He was chivalrous enough to give it.
मेघना मैम, या आपसे और दीपिका सबसे सवाल है.
आप कहाँ हैं?
या
हाँ.
आपके सामने.
जी
हाँ. सिनेमा के बारे में कहा जाता है कि रिफ्लेक्शन ऑफ सोसाइटी है, और इतने सालों से, दशकों से सिनेमा फिल्में आ रही हैं, इस तरह की कहानियाँ आ रही हैं. स्टिल देश भर में, दुनिया भर में नो वुमेन्स लैंड बना हुआ है. हर दिन हमें एसिड अटैक, सेक्सुअल अटैक, रेप की खबरें सुनने को मिल रही हैं. ऐसी कहानियाँ, छपाक जैसी कहानियाँ से हम लोग कितनी उम्मीद करें कि ये झकझोर के रखे लोगों को, उनके गालों पे तमाचा और वो आए, थप्पड़ पड़े, कुछ असर हो, जैसा पिंक का असर हुआ था, रंग दे बसंती का असर हुआ था.
असर की बात जो आप कह रहे हैं उससे मैं सहमत हूँ, लेकिन वो थोड़ा नरमी से भी किया जा सकता है. मुझे थप्पड़ मारने की ज़रूरत नहीं है, तमाचा लगाने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. अगर मैं आपकी सोच को छू सकूं, मेरे लिए उतना काफ़ी है. हमारी फिल्म के लिए उतना काफ़ी है. मुझे थप्पड़ मारने की ज़रूरत नहीं है.
चमड़ी मोटी नहीं है इस देश के लोगों की, जैसा विक्रांत ने
मुझे
कहा.
ऐसा नहीं लगता, क्योंकि अगर हमारी चमड़ी मोटी होती तो जो हमारी सिविलाइजेशन है, हमारी जो संस्कृति है, वो बहुत अरसों पहले स्टैग्नेट होके ख़त्म हो गई होती. हमारी संस्कृति अभी भी जिंदा है, वो दबी हुई है, कहीं एक धूल का जैसा लेयर है उसके ऊपर. धीरे धीरे साफ करेंगे ना.
दीपिका, आप क्या मानती हैं?
Thank you very much. I
दीपिका
think
की
now's
तरफ
your
से
opportunity. Guys, no.
Thank you.